going to do a demo, pizza demo, using the micro grill with the ring. And since I can't really do anything right now, I have my assistant that's helping me with the cooking part. So, take it away.
Just a quick trick. You're gonna try this.
Okay.
Use this. Press it a bit. Now you can get the perfect size.
Nice trick. Nice trick.
Just back in here.
Oops.
There you go. Sometimes it cooperates, sometimes it doesn't. Alright. Now we'll get our sauce.
Okay.
It's up to you how much to put on. I like a lot of sauce. I don't like dry pizza.
I don't think anybody does.
Well, you know, there's one weird people out there. Spread it around. Hold on.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Oh, yes.
Some burger. Most people put the cheese on first and then the topping, but I like to do the topping underneath the cheese.
And you can do any other toppings as you like to.
Yeah.
But today is hamburger.
Just, you know, with the pineapple.
What about pineapple? We have a debate in this house about pineapple being on pizza.
Two people are wrong and I'm right. It's not. This is the best pizza cheese. Okay? You can get this mozzarella or Italian. Try to find mozzarella and provolone. The best mix. Tastes
And he should
really
know
good.
because he's Italian.
It just tastes good. That's what a lot of like mom and pop pizza places use. Alright. Grab the lid. Put this sucker in casserole mode.
Yes.
Okay.
And added sound effects is optional.
Yeah. And I will put it in for 6 minutes.
Because he likes it a little bit crispier. Just a bit.
Doughy pizza is just gross.
Oh, yes. And then if say you have leftover, what do you plan on doing the leftover dough as ideas?
Leftover dough. Well, you can roll it up and smash it out and make another one, or you can take these little ends, nip it like that, stretch it out a little bit, a little sauce, toppings, cheese, and just fold that sucker over.
Then you got a pizza pocket.
A little pizza pocket.
Alright, well then we'll be back in about about 5 minutes. Alright, we're down to 10 seconds left. And it smells good. 2, 1. Alright.
There we go.
Ooh, can you hear that?
Oh, it's popping.
Popping.
Popping and rocking.
And,
Get this.
and get his little pop holders. Can you grab it with that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's not too bad. It's just.
It's the lid.
Hey, the lid.
Oh. I didn't know which side you were doing that.
And voila! It's a popping.
Ooh. Look at that. And it's still popping and cooking. Did you put a lot of cheese this time?
Yeah, I think I put a little too much this time. Man, there's no such thing.
It's too much cheese.
No such thing.
That's what we watched anyways.
Yeah.
And then he gets a plate.
That's pretty hot. We remove the ring. And then we get our spatula, okay? We spatula the pizza and make a program on the plate. We put the spatula down. We lift it over here. And we cut. And we cut. And we cut some more. And then we cut some more. And voila. Pizza.
Oh. Yes, I have a very comical husband. Tries to make things a little bit more entertaining. Now it's the test. It's gonna be hot though. Didn't quite get it all.
Just a small piece.
Alright. Now it's time for the test.
Get on
Oh yeah, see the bottom?
there. It's brown the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Slippery.
Dogs are waiting for you to drop it.
Oh, yeah, but I was just looking at the floor.
Alright, once it's nice and cooled off a little bit.
It may take a minute. I don't want to burn under my mouth.
Yes.
Oh, it's so good.
It's so good. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
And just for something like that, we saved ourselves some money, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Bucks? Give or take?
Probably. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, no, a little more.
A little bit more.
Yeah. It was $1 something for the pizza dough. I think it was $2 something for the cheese, $1 something for the sauce.
Mm-hmm. But then in the long run,
I mean, not much of it.
yeah, but if you think about it, in the long run, you get multiples.
Oh, yeah.
And that's where you save the money.
Yeah, it's good. This would be like a really cool, like, after-school snack.
Yeah.
You know?
Or hubby gets hungry at midnight.
You're kidding. I'm sleeping.
Alright, so that was our demonstration with a little bit of entertainment for my assistant.
Thank you for managing my cooking show. I hope to see you all again next time.
Okay.
But not too soon.
Alright.